Top tips about dogs that anyone can follow. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. Groom your dog regularly. A dog requires constant grooming to keep his coat in tip-top condition. Make sure that your dog is completely relaxed before you start the grooming session. This is especially important if he is excitable. Keep the session quite short, 5 to 10 minutes at most, until he is comfortable with the idea of being groomed. Most importantly, be sure to praise him and offer a treat after a successful grooming session. Take your grown dog to the vet at least once a year. The vet will check to see if the dog's vaccine's up to date. In addition, the vet will check the dog's teeth and vital signs. If any major health or behavioral issues come up between annual checkups, you should see the vet earlier. Try to always be aware of how your dog is feeling. If your dog seems to be nervous, fearful, or scared of certain things, you should take note of this and try to avoid putting your dog in a stressful situation. When a dog is stressed or afraid, you could traumatize your dog if you insist that it stays in the stressful situation. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.